In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Site Verification TXT record in Wix domains. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign into your Wix account if you are not already logged in. Once you're in, navigate to your Wix Domains interface console. This is the area where you manage the domains connected to your Wix account, so make sure you're looking at the correct domain before making any changes. Taking a moment to confirm that now can help you avoid editing the wrong asset later. When you're inside the domain section, locate your active domain in the list. Next to that domain, you'll see an Actions menu. Go ahead and click that menu, then choose Manage DNS Records. This will take you to the DNS settings for the domain, where you can add and update records used for services like verification, email, and other domain-related connections. DNS settings can look a little technical at first, but for this task, you only need to focus on one specific record type. Once you're on the DNS management screen, look for the option labeled Add TXT Record and click it. A TXT record is commonly used for verification purposes, and in this case, it allows Google to confirm that you control the domain. In the value field, paste your unique Google Site Verification token string exactly as provided. It's important to paste the full token without changing any characters, spaces, or formatting, because even a small mistake can cause the verification to fail. After pasting the token, click Save to apply the new TXT record. Once saved, the record will be added to your domain's DNS configuration. Keep in mind that DNS updates may not always take effect instantly. In some cases, verification works within a few minutes, but it can also take longer depending on propagation. If Google doesn't recognize the record right away, give it a little time and try again later rather than re-entering the record multiple times. And that's it. You've successfully added a Google Verification TXT record through your Wix domain settings in Chrome. As a final tip, double check that only the intended TXT record was added and that the token was pasted exactly as provided. That small review can save time if you run into verification delays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.